India Tour of Australia, first T20 International, both teams playing 11. First time on this channel, subscribe now, let's start it. Player number 1, explosive left-handed opening batsman, Abhishek Sharma. Player number 2, stylish right-handed opening batsman, Shubman Gill. Player number 3, top order batsman and captain of Indian team, Surya Kumar Yadav. Player number 4, top order left-handed batsman, Tilak Verma. Player number 5, wicket-keeper batsman, Jitesh Sharma. Player number 6, batting all-rounder, Nitesh Kumar Reddy. Player number 7, all-rounder, Axar Patel. Player number 8, bowling all-rounder, Washington Sundar. Player number 9, left-arm fast bowler, Arshdeep Singh. Player number 10, right-arm fast bowler, Jasprit Bumrah. Player number 11, leg spinner, Varun Chakravarthi. Australia playing 11 against India. Player number 1, left-handed opening explosive batsman, Travis Head. Player number 2, right-handed batsman and captain of Australian team, Mitchell Marsh. Player number 3, right-handed batsman and off-break bowler, Matt Short. Player number 4, right-handed wicket-keeper batsman, Josh Inglis. Player number 5, right-handed power-hitting batsman and medium-fast bowler, Mitch Owen. Player number 6, right-handed power-hitting batsman, Tim David. Player number 7, right-handed batsman and medium-fast bowler, Marcus Stoinis. Player number 8, right-handed batsman and fast bowler, Sean Abbott. Player number 9, right-arm fast bowler, Xavier Bartlett. Player number 10, right-arm fast bowler, Josh Hazelwood. Player number 11, slow left-arm orthodox, Matthew Kuhneman. Who will win this match? Write in comment section. Subscribe the channel for more latest authentic cricket updates.